Welcome to our updated guide on how to stop the auto-refreshing feature on Messenger. Follow these steps to customize your app update settings. To begin, launch the Messenger app on your Android device. Ensure you are logged in and ready to make the necessary adjustments to prevent auto-refreshing. Next, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the Messenger interface. This will open the settings menu where you can access various options. Scroll down within the settings menu and locate the section labeled App Updates. This is where you will find settings related to app updates and auto-refreshing. Within the App Updates section, you will see toggles that control auto-updates for the Messenger app. To stop the app from refreshing automatically, turn off all the toggles associated with auto-updates. By following these steps, you can effectively disable the auto-refreshing feature on Messenger and have more control over how and when the app updates itself. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope these instructions have been helpful in customizing your Messenger app experience. Stay tuned for more informative guides and tips.